Do you struggle to get a good night's sleep? Is it a chore to wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day? Well, it's time to put that to rest, literally. Today, we're delving into the top 5 foods that can help you sleep better and wake up feeling revitalized. First on our list is a classic warm milk. This comforting bedtime beverage is more than just an old wives' tale. It's packed with tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin. These hormones play a pivotal role in your sleep cycle, helping you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Next up, we have almonds. These crunchy little gems are a powerhouse of sleep-inducing nutrients. Almonds are rich in magnesium and tryptophan, both of which contribute to improving the quality of sleep. Just a handful before bed can do wonders for your night's rest. Third on our list are kiwis. Yes, you heard right. This fuzzy fruit is a sleep superstar. Kiwis contain high amounts of serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. They're also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help improve your overall sleep quality. Next, we're looking at fatty fish. Salmon, trout, and mackerel are all excellent choices. They're packed with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Together, these nutrients increase the production of serotonin, the sleep-inducing hormone. Incorporating fatty fish into your dinner menu can lead to better sleep and more energized mornings. Last but certainly not least, we have Tart cherries. These tangy fruits are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Eating a handful of these or drinking a glass of Tart cherry juice before bed can help you drift off to sleep more easily. In summary, sleep is precious, and the foods we eat can have a significant impact on the quality of our rest. Warm milk, almonds, kiwis, fatty fish, and Tart cherries all contain nutrients that aid in better sleep and more refreshed mornings. So, why not give these foods a try? You might just find that a good night's sleep is a bite away. Remember, everyone's bodies react differently, so it might take some experimentations to find what works best for you. And, as always, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and a regular sleep schedule for the best results. Here's to a good night's sleep and even better mornings.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest